How to activate Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I am thrilled to guide you through the process of conveniently activating your Lloyds credit card online. So make sure to watch the entire video until the very end and remember to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest content. So let's kick things off by launching your preferred web browser and navigate to the address bar located at the top of the browser and type in the URL www.lloydsbank.com/creditcards/activate.html and hit the enter key on your keyboard to proceed further. And upon entering this URL, you will be directed to a specific page, and this page will provide you with a simple step-by-step guideline on how to activate your credit card online. So scroll down slightly and locate the option to activate your card online, and once you have found it, click on activate your credit card option over here. Now proceed by entering your credit card number associated with the Lloyds Bank and select your date of birth from the drop-down menu. And finally, after inputting all the necessary credit card details, click on the Activate button situated at the bottom right corner of the screen, and by following these straightforward steps, you will successfully activate your credit card for the Lloyds Bank online. So it's as simple as that. I trust that you found this video tutorial to be informative. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.